Yo, Chad, what is going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Myself and my boy Jeff. Jeff, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing good, man. Great to be here, as always.
Hey, that's it, Chad. It is Friday. It's going to be an interesting one today. I think we are going to be looking for some good moves on the market. But, it's a bit of a back and forth. I must say, not a lot I'm expecting from the markets today, but yet they coming out alive. The question is that already kind of the move happened? Is there just going to be a rejection after that? Is it going to sit around? I don't know. We have to wait and see. We do have one little mediocre news event coming out now. We've got Chicago PMI, but we'll talk about that. But being running around. Guys, obviously the launch of Project G, that has been keeping us on our toes, getting everything done, but already things are starting to look a lot smoother, a lot better. Before I forget, guys, our brother Stefan Grobler, if you are here, my brother, we need you to send us an email, bro. You sent us the POP from your bank, but you didn't give us any details on there, so we can't get in touch with you. We need your Discord details, brother, so please send us an email to support@2gstrading.com, just so we can sort you out there. So we'll keep an eye out if we see Stefan in the chat. But we'll do. There we go, Stefan. Perfect, brother. Yeah, we just want to add you, so we just need your Discord. So just send that same email you sent it to. Just send your Discord username. That's all we need, brother. We can add you to the group. But other than that, guys, I think it's going to be interesting. Jeff, how's this week been for you, bro?
It's been good. This week has been good. It's been slow, but the trades were on point, I must say. I had the USD Rand.
Yeah.
Nasdaq break even. That GU trade now. Um, I wouldn't say it was bad.
I think as well. I mean, for myself, I'm actually up quite a bit this week, but being very slow, bro. It's. I think technically I've had 2 trades, it's 2 good trades, but yeah. And you know what? I wouldn't even call them. You can call them trades, but a lot of it just being coming down to news events. But making the most out of what we got this week, and we just want to continue doing that. So other than that, Chad, again, before we get into it, Project G, the membership is now, the pre-live is live. So again, we are live. We are getting in, the guys are getting in. We have our first prep call on Sunday. And then the first news event, an event we're doing, is Trading NFP live with the community on Friday. So that's going to be a big one. So don't miss out on that one. Guys, Vault Funder, the discount codes are still there. So remember, VF launched 35% off on all accounts, dollar, rand, any account size. Vote VF for your ZAR accounts, 40%. And guys, the little birdie told me something, just because I like you guys. It might be working on the dollar as well, so just give it a try. But that would give you 40% off. They might have fixed it already, but we're giving you a little inside deal in here. So just make the most of it. The link is down below, so definitely go show some support. Get some accounts. We're going into the new month, and let's start it off strong. But other than that, guys, I think it's about time. Let's get into the charts. So fundamentally for the day, guys, is obviously I said core PCE coming out underneath. We pretty much know this. This is dollar weakness is coming through and through over again. Chicago PMI actually looking to come out a little bit higher. But again, that would be something we'd want to see, but again would contradict a little bit of things. But again, that is why it's the orange folder, because it might be that, but at the end of the day, it's a area in something. So it's not, if you want to say Chicago PMI is not going to change the USD, let's put it that way. So that's what your USD PMI is what we want to look out for, not Chicago really, even though I mean Chicago is in the US. But we'll just keep an eye on that one, right, guys? So we will see a little bit of a push there. Might just give us that little kick we need, but nothing too crazy. So that's gonna be 3:45, 15 minutes after market open. Hello, guys. Gold screaming, buy me, buy me. Yeah, that it is. But let's get over to the charts, guys, and let's get into it. So DXY, we are bearish, and I've said to you guys we are bearish. We've explained why we're bearish, and it is just coming through, taking out the lows. Daily key levels, the first area we want to look out for today, that being smashed and coming right down past here. So you got the weekly supply, and honestly, I'd even say break in the weekly supply. So that's what we want to see come out here, and we have that key level 103,450 on the cards. I definitely don't think for today. Maybe, who knows? Maybe we get lucky at this month end at the same time. But that would be our next zone to watch out for. So no matter if we do something like this, that's we know where we want to push to at the end of the day. So that's just something to keep in mind. Username, email, perfect, brother. We will sort you out very, very shortly, okay? So we will get you on the group. Definitely, maybe not, because I'm the one I have to go add. So let's just make sure it's there. I will get to it after the stream and we'll add you. There's nothing happening on the group right now. Obviously, we're preparing, just getting the guys on preparing for Sunday, so you're not missing out, bro. So don't worry, but we will have you on after the stream, okay? Then, guys, so as I said, DXY quite bearish. Now let's go over to the indices. Nasdaq. So I am more bullish on USD. Nasdaq, but of the one that I'd say can go bullish. I mean, long term, we definitely are still bullish, but I wouldn't expect Nasdaq to have turned bullish where it did. So we just want to keep an eye out on that one. But again, we are back at this 4-hour resistance area. So again, we turned, it was support, broke, came back for the retest, holding its resistance and trading off now. So we'll just keep an eye out on what happened there. But again, the sales could be on. That move could have happened. If those PMIs do come on higher, that could push us down a little bit, and maybe get just a bit of volatility. So it could push us back down, maybe a retest, edge it off a bit, and eventually burst bullish again after that. But at the same time, it can send you all the way back down. So Nasdaq, again, potential for both sides, but I'd rather stay out there purely for the reason USD looking a bit more cleaner for me. So we say we wanted the buys on USD. Same thing I've been talking to you guys about with gold. It's been happening a lot lately. USD doing the perfect thing. We wanted this break, but we want that manipulation, which was the Asia lows being untested. came down, tested Asia lows, came back. Once you got the close above, break over there. 2:15. Unfortunately, I was busy with work stuff, so I wasn't watching the charts, but that was a beautiful move to the R1. So very similar. We could see this have a bit of a pullback just to test that break, see if we can hold the support for the first time, and then go bullish after that. So looking definitely for the buys on US 30. We have closed bullish, taking out the highs over there, so would like to really see the continuation and just go close up some of this damage that happened on US 30. Then lastly, guys, let's go over to gold. So what are we looking for on gold? We definitely are bullish. We've explained this. We've seen this formation be coming out. That was your support, retest, and confirmation. So on the bullish move, very simple. That's what we're watching for, the break over here. I said to you guys today what had to happen. We had to hold 23.40, and that is exactly what we did perfectly. Tested it and turned and burned. So now that we're trading bullish, two things, guys. Again, you could see the pushback, but personally, I wouldn't like to see this on gold. What I would like to see is over here, maybe a bit of volatility, if anything, but then that re-break, that's where I want to go long over there, because we want to see that pushback to the weekly pivot, 23.69. So if we do even get the pullback, you know what, I will look for it, yeah, but personally, that's not where I want to. So that doesn't mean I don't want it, yeah, guys. Just keep that in mind. I just actually would prefer a bit of volatility, yeah, to just consolidate and have that break back to the top side. But that is pretty much everything I am looking at, Chad. Over to my boy Jev.
What's up, Chad? Let's start off with DXY. And we can see price has tapped into this demand zone over here with the S1. So we can see that reaction taking place. So it all depends on, so it is Friday, end of the week, end of the month. I think they're going to continue trapping short. So the supply zone up here, I think we're going to have reaction with price pushing up. And then price then rejecting, pushing all the way down towards the S1, the S2 at this demand zone, and then into the week off, probably something like this. So with that said, I want to see a bullish reaction on the open, and then obviously that move towards the downside. Then on gold, we can see gold popping to the upside now at the supply zones. Very hard to look for change of character in a case like this. Now you can see that there is a demand zone over here, and we also had this kind of pin pattern. Now my only concern with this is if price trades down to this demand zone, this is what most people look for on that retest. So I wouldn't look for that retest at this point. I would actually want to see gold trade down even more towards this level down here, the 23.35 level. So we might set it out here on the session and just check how it plays out. On EU also we have this price in this supply zone up here. So initially we have this demand formed at this point. I also don't trust this level as much, but we could potentially get a reaction from this level to continue pushing up if DXY gives us that confluence over here. Then on GBP USD, also want to see the pound basically trade back down towards this demand zone and then continue that move towards the upside. And then on NASDAQ, very hard for me to say. I can't sell from this point. I would need to see price trade all the way up. But even so, when we do get to this point, I would be very hesitant to sell purely because of this supply zone up here. But then looking at US 30, still same thing like I said in the beginning of the week. I still want to see price trade all the way down towards this level down here. We can see the S1 slightly above the demand zone, so I want to see that happen. Yeah, that is literally it. I'm just looking at US 30, NASDAQ, gold, EU, GU, and DXY.
Hey.
Did I go too quick? It feels like that was way too fast.
That was quick, bro. That was quick. The man's ready, yeah. Locked and loaded.
Oh, geeks.
Yeah, what's up?
I want to request a song in the stream. It's gonna be a good song.
No, it's not.
It's gonna be a good song.
Bro, you haven't recommended one good song.
It's not gonna be rap. It's not gonna be Afrikaans.
What's the song?
It's vibes, bro.
Bro, the minute you... it's not. No. The minute you can't even tell me the song.
No, man, like, it's one of those songs that you would hear when you walk into a taxi rank. I stumbled upon the other night, and bro, this slaps.
So why the hell are you telling me to play that?
Trust me, if the chat it's gonna slap. It's gonna become our new coop.
You wish, bro. You wish. Bro, you haven't even come close with one good song yet.
Okay, I'll do this. I'll donate to the stream for a song request.
No.
And then Chad, if you guys also donate, maybe you can also get your song request through to Mr. DJ.
First the man's coming here with the Cape Flats, then it's the taxi ranks. Like, I don't know what's going on here, guys. I don't know what he's playing here.
Yeah, Dorito. I don't know the vibes. Quantum vibes.
Aye, bro. I just on your screen quickly, brother. I'm just sorting something out here.
All good.
Geez, gold ranging, nothing exciting. Nasdaq though looks nice for shorts. Yeah. What is this? This doesn't mean your stuff's better, Jeff. I'm just saying.
Nah, my song's better than this though. Much better. You'll feel like buying some clothes after that. Or some like getting into a taxi.
That's the last thing I'm doing, my brother. The last thing.
Stop a taxi for no reason you're outside.
I don't even know what this is. I don't know where these random ones come out from, bro. Like out of the blue. Keisha, listen to the. This is for Jeff's song. Oh, yes.
Thank you, Shane. Thank you. Is there any more wonderful members of the chat who would like to donate towards this cause? Jared, so I've been going more for a fixed risk reward, 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s, purely for the fact that no longer leaving money on the table and taking everything.
I feel like, is Shane in your group?
No. Victor, I would love to see gold come down, but I wouldn't look for shorts though. I wouldn't look for shorts. My song's so good, Neil. Like we can listen to 10 seconds of it, and if you guys don't like it, like you can cut it. That first 10 seconds gonna hook you, and we all I can guarantee you, all of you guys at home will be jamming to it.
Jeff, the only thing is, bro, you've been this confident about all of the songs.
No, but this
they've
time,
all been rubbish.
no, but this time I'm for real. It's not me trying to put someone on to their music. I don't even know who the artist is. I just know it's a dope song.
Hey. Let's see about it, bro. We'll see. I think I'm gonna regret this, but
No, you won't. I promise you.
is
Also,
is
when
it a
you,
South African artist?
I don't know. He might be from Nigeria even.
Oh boy.
But when you and Caitlin leave the office, you guys are gonna search on Spotify and even ask me, Javen, send me the link to the song. You guys are gonna jam to it though. I'm gonna see you guys when you guys drive past me to the robot. I'm gonna see you guys jamming to it.
I highly doubt that. I highly doubt that. Hey,
Oh,
Stefan.
Stefan. Lovely man.
Stefan in the donays, yeah.
What's that for, Stefan?
It's for us, not for that, bro.
My previous mentor taught me a closure technique is the 500 time frame to identify failure to displace and trade direction. It's a flavor it goes. Yeah, so you can use like the candle anatomy to basically determine whether you can go break even or close the trade. So for instance, in my case, I want to see breaks of structure before going break even, trading stop, and so forth. But like also like for instance, if there's no break of structure, then you also have to start managing it or and start deciding like whether you close the trade because it's not continuing and pushing further, or yeah. Hope that makes sense.
All right, Chad. Markets are getting ready to open. Let's see what we are looking at. NAS pumping to the downside. US30 pumping down. Let's see what are we looking for here. Please can I ask, how does the teacher school work? Do we need the membership to get a fund account, or how does it work? Brother, so what's going to happen is you do need, obviously, to get the membership. Do you pay for a membership? Once you have the membership, you will then get the funded account as well, the coupon code. So only the coupon code is only for guys that are our members. So it's basically on purchase, you will then receive an email from that as well. And markets are open, guys. Looking a bit volatile here. USD trying to go bullish. Nasdaq, I don't know what Nasdaq is doing. What's DXY doing? DXY jumping to the top side. Are the indices going to fall, Chad? This is going to be interesting here. Alright, Joe James, when will you have a Capitec? We are still sorting out, guys. The thing is Capitec. Capitec is the problem. We're really trying our best, but yeah, Capitec does not make it easy for us. Has there been a winner chosen for the one more account? Trade unknown, we actually, no, there has not yet. That is on our side, we actually haven't. Maybe we can still do that today. We can see how the markets go.
I want to ask you guys a question, Chad. Why do you guys think people who use Capitec form those long lines when there's other ATMs open right next to them? Have you noticed that? I'm sure you've seen it.
What's this?
People who at Capitec, you would usually have like these long lines, and there's like ATMs open right next to them.
Oh damn!
Haven't you noticed that yet? I'm sure, Chad, you guys have seen that.
How do you feel about using a market freeze to advantage keys and a market freeze? Dorita, what do you mean by that, bro? But Chad, I'm gonna quickly put it on Jeff's screen. I'm gonna jump out quickly and then Jeff jump out. But we'll be back now.
Oh damn, that's cool. Daddy says Well, what that is basically saying is everyone who uses KPTech trades ICT. um, Siboniso, in regards to the flip zone, I don't know how Keegan and Chris uses it, but the way I use a flip zone is basically something like this. Say you have price to this, you have your high, your low. Now let's say price forms your high, and there's a demand zone left at this point, right? Then usually you want to have you want to see a liquidity build up before you can take that trade. For instance, like a double bottom, you want to see a reaction from the zone, and you want to see that tap in for your demand, for instance. Now let's say this is your demand zone. When price taps into this demand zone, you're supposed to have a clean reaction towards the upside that forms a new break of structure. If that fails to form a break of structure and it basically breaks through that zone, that means obviously now a lower low is made, and then that's where you have a supply zone with price now flipping from demand to supply. And the exact same concept. When you see some sort of liquidity build up, and if you have a reaction there and your break of structure takes place, now your new bias has been confirmed. Go short, you take your profit, new supply zone, you wait for that reaction. For price to retrace, you take a short, you take TP, and you basically wait for the same thing. In the case that this fails, for instance, then literally you'll just have price flip from your new supply to your new demand zone, for instance. So that's the way I use it. And that's the exact same way I caught this GU trade this afternoon. So you would see here's the supply which price has left us. So you would see price broke above slightly, it failed, formed this low, so price went down, but you wanted to see a full reaction to the downside. Price broke to the upside, flipping and changing character, leaving you with a demand, and then literally on that move, that's why I took the trade. But okay, let's get back to the chat here. Did a consulting project for KPTech deliberately create 2 or 3 offices in an area to improve brand perception as they always. That is smart, but it sucks for us as clients because when you get there it's full. Yeah, I don't know.
Alright. Jeff, you can go grab some pizza, bro.
Oh, okay.
Yes, guys. I walk away. The USD is busy selling, and now it's taken off. Nasdaq still interesting.
What? No, dicks. Jakes. I don't know what that means. What does that mean? What happens when? What happens when we finish our shift? See you now, guys. I need to go add some weight to this dump truck behind me.
Guys, I don't know what Jeff is saying about KPTech, but KPTech's cock. They are so useless. Dorito, I think you can. I won't lie to you. There was a time I've never been able to do that. Like when it freezes, it won't let me place trades. But there was a time it freezing saved me. So, funny enough, me and my mates all traded news, and it was one of those cases. The news event wicked up and then dropped after that. So for me, it wicked up and froze. It froze me in profits, and everyone else flipped, and they were all like, "Oh damn, their account's blown." And my thing was still, bro, did I not still close the trade in profits? Like they blew their accounts, I still closed in profits. That's the only time I've ever got anything like close to that. Like, why are you crying about 10 rand charges at KPTech? Yo, how do you set up your trading view? What do you know? How are you trading but don't know how you set up your trading view? What do you mean? Still in USD buys from 38 140. Damn, bro. What's up, Keys? What's up, Anu? That was JP Markets time, lol. Hey guys, you gotta work with what you're given there. Gotta just make the most of it. Alright, Chad, we're just gonna try it quickly while we wait for market open. Key, was that trade not the one we did with Han? Yeah, it was that one, bro. You remember? Well, there you go. Carl was with me when I did that one, guys. Keys, did you see Nas boys placed under scams by FSCO? Bro, we told you all of this. We've told you all these guys are scammers. So for me, like, I'm not even surprised by it. Usually going for a long tail, if you go look there, you miss the bias because, I don't know, you want to just come here, get a signal, you want to be late and not get the analysis. You'll see their daily is bullish. Everyone went broke, Keegan went clubbing, yeah. Happened with Vault last year, May. Made so much money with that, lost 200k. Made 8k, it felt ethical as well, but it happened once. Yeah, I believe it happened once, it's a blessing there. It's cool, you all weren't part of the secret society. Keys, can I send you the article and you can see all the people that were placed under scams? Yeah, you can. I think I did see it. I think Rolio posted something about it. It was either Rolio or Rado, but I think it was Rolio that posted about it. Lesson to be learned in this election is to focus on your family. People aren't ready for collective vision, 100%. Keen is the way that we could change the charged candles on MT5 Vault Funder as the same as TradingView because my 4-hour differs. Jen Gold knows you can't trade MetaTrader. Thing is, then you must change your TradingView. Your TradingView will be a different pair. So I don't know what pair you're talking about, but you either won't be on maybe using 8cap or something like that. You need to find that feed that matches your MetaTrader. Well, what Keith said, yeah. No, but you are right to read it, but it's just another way of just looking at saying it. Your fly isn't the same because of the broker. Just change up your broker for it to line up, yeah. Just waiting, guys. Still literally have the 15-minute shuffle, and then we got news, so just chilling out.
So it's just us again, Chad. Jix, I see you didn't answer. What happens when we finish shift? Wait, what? Yo, you must been through the most with thingy. Yeah, you guys are blowing up my Instagram, yo. There's a lot of messages here. Okay, so Curtis, okay, I'll show Keegan. Oh damn. What should I do with it, Kaden? Is it for myself to read, or should I like throw it? Should we address it on the stream?
Wait, what now?
Oh no, you sent me a link regarding the FECA.
Oh no, we don't need to talk about that on stream.
Eh?
We don't need to talk about that on stream.
Craig, literally the only it's basically engulfing candles. So it just kind of, if it lines up with my supply demand zone, that's just for confluence basically. It's the only reason why it's on my chart. Nah, Ruben, I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, there we go. Let's see what the news came out as. Low 35. That's what we thought. US30 can go bullish. Nas bullish. Gold bullish. As I said, not going to do too much of anything, but might give us a bit of a reason to just take something. So we'll see what we can take here, guys. This thing can fly though, chat. Like, this thing can take off. Personally, I just don't like that. Like, it's gonna happen on a day where there's
no. Oh, sorry. Yes.
Where there's no need, like, for it to make a move like that.
Oh, but noted, Kaden. Noted. I told Keegan Dorito that I would love to get into gaming too, for the baby, to make sure that the games are cool.
For the baby.
Yeah, we have to make sure the games are cool. We have to finish the game, make sure that we can beat the boss. You know, the boss is beatable. But yes, I'm literally like Arkham, I'm literally like in a position where like here's the money in my hand. It might just be dropped right now, but like the question is like I don't know where to drop this money right now. That's my only concern. Chicky jicks, wink wink.
Boy, where we went. Keith, what time we jamming tonight? Bevan, I'm gonna check, bro. I'll send a message to the guys and I'm gonna jump on. Also chat to G, but I think it'll be a bit later in the evening. Probably a bit after 8, bro. So let's just say like maybe 8:30, somewhere around there. Jay, have you got a home PC? I've been working on a setup here for you for your home office that isn't too much, you know. We're able to play games on the PC or just strictly business. Hey, Akko, are you the one that's been building that PC for Jeb? Yeah, guys, if we can ask close, yeah, I'll actually look to take a buy. Where's gold?
Uncle DM me and then let me know. Let me know. Because like the thing is, it's either I buy the PC via EVTech and I must wait, or I can get it like right now off the stream. So it's like I don't know.
Okay. Guys, I just want to see you quickly. I haven't entered yet, guys. Just wait a bit. We haven't entered yet. I just want to see this thing push down, and if I can turn around and flip bullish on that flip is where we're going to enter. That's what we're waiting for. Keys has been a personal project of mine to get my brother Jev a good looking PC to not disappoint the mandem, you know. Yeah, it's always like having a solid PC. We'll try to fix the chart problem over the weekend. See you guys on Monday. Cheers. I've got a brother that works for EVTech there in Joburg. He helps me out with my PC upgrade kits and maintenance, and I've been asking him to cook something up with me. It's gonna glow, Jay, bro. So, Dorito, does he just help you out, or is he getting you like special prices? What are we talking here?
It's gonna glow, you say? It's gonna glow. Oh.
I love how Jeff, that's the thing, bro. You're like a little kid. The man's not focused on the parts in the PC. He just wants it to light up. Wing Green Geeks, he'll be out of a job if I admit anything. Let's go. Gold waterfall. Yeah, that's the thing, guys. That's why you have to wait for a break. No break above now, because that's the way we went take it on the 15. So I want to set top, bottom, and then to return. Never turn bullish again, and there's the move. So that's pretty what we were waiting for there. But that is how you avoid those type of things. Check that drop on US 30. Yeah, bro, US 30. I think that's just hurting people right now. Keep in mind, guys, this is what I said. You got news events. It's a Friday. It's month end. In a weird way, there's a lot of reasons not to trade. Let's put it like that.
Sorry about that, chat. I'm running all over. I'm all over the place.
Check that drop on you steady. Guys, everything's dropping now. I think taking the lows, guys. I'd actually like a sell here because on the idea of the 4 hour, it's early. That's the only thing. So you could still get a bit of a pullback. But the idea that, I mean, you take out these lows now, this thing will just pile drive you to this zone because that's where our next support is. So one way momentum now because now you had your pullback and now just continuation. But again, that's the thing when you're trying to jump in a move early, it can still pull back, consolidate before it does the move. That's the only thing. So it's a case of can we get in on that? Nothing for you, Jeff.
Nothing. Nothing. So far away from my zones.
I'm gonna watch Nasdaq, guys. Maybe something on Nasdaq. Do you think market will buy off the front of the fair value gap? My bias is strong for buy there in USD. Quattro, I don't use fair value gaps, brother, so I can't confirm that for you.
Not every fair value gap is a valid fair value gap. You always have to consider structure and order flow. Ed, I would love to see a drop, but I don't know, man. It just looks a bit too scary for me to sell. Or initially, I would have to see price actually form a change of character, like a nice little reversal on the 5 minute, taking out that little wicks.
Waited like 4 hours for the long on gold in 40 minutes on short. NYC always king. Looks like gold has a mega bullish angle. Can for me, once you can break nicely above these, definitely. Because that was your break above, but you're still in this kind of zone. So this can be a retest, continue bullish, can go bearish. Can do anything at this point, really. Maxim, if there was an entry, you would see it on the screen, brother. What's going on? Gets what you're seeing today. We seeing a lot of things, bro, but something we can get in on, not so much. I took short gold on 51. So then why are you asking if I have a position, bro? Take profit 44. Keegs, you start your Asia highs and lows at what time in the morning? 1 to 6. Gold is a 50-50. Yeah, just asking, bro. No, it's cool. But yeah, I'm not in anything yet, bro. If I'm in, you'll see the position on the screen. Market's been choppy since yesterday. Yeah. Remember, guys, that's the thing. Like, it's been a slow week. There's literally no need to try to force something and then take a loss just for the weekend because I'm like, oh, I had to take a trade.
And especially on the last day of the month. This is literally something myself and Chris have picked up like last year. Last day of the month, first day of the month. Usually like, oh, it's hard to tell.
Okay, now lottering. So, bro, it's very self-explanatory. I don't know how you need an example for it. If I tell you I'm marking Asia highs out between 1 and 6. Okay, very, very simple. You don't even actually need the indicator. We can even turn it off for you. You don't need that. If I just tell you I'm marking out between 1 and 6, okay? So let's literally do this if you want to see it. If I have to do this like for a baby. If that is 1 o'clock over there, alright? 1. And let's go find 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. So in between those two areas, what is the highest point? Over there, body closure. What is the lowest point? Over there, body closure. Pretty self-explanatory. Thanks. Keith, gaan jullie trade op G5 or wat jullie streams gaan doen? Yeah, brother, we will. Yeah, so if we take a trade on stream, for example, and you not here, we will be sending it still to the Project G, so you guys will get it. So in theory, obviously I'm not telling you to go away now, but Project G, like if you're on Project G, you don't have to even watch the streams. If we take a trade, you're gonna get the trade on there. Obviously, guys, at the same time, when, for example, there's certain trades like this morning's trade, for example, Chris's trade, that was a very in and out volatile trade. That type of trade still wouldn't be able to get to send to the stream or to the Discord purely from this thing. When we got the trade alerts embedded, we definitely can do it. But for now, we have to manually do it. You probably won't, because to send it out and how quickly the trade moves, by the time you guys have your phone, get on, the trade conditions are already completely different. So it will just depend on the trade for now, as I say, while we're doing everything very much manually. But yeah, we will be able to change it. If you're in profit for the week or month, consider withdrawing or keep your risk low. No need to lose all the hard work. Exactly. It has been really tough this week. Month end effect. 100% gap fill. New yesterday. I'm entering. Oh boy. Oh, best of luck, brother. Best of luck. Learned so much soft trading skills from you guys. Really solidifying my habits when trading. Jared, that's awesome, bro. It's only gonna get better. When are we taking that? Terry, what are we taking? What do you... Keek, you still looking on Nas sells? I am, bro. But I want it at the lows. I want the lows and that like pump of volume. So that is what we're going to be waiting for. Gold might hold these Asia highs now. Yo, I need to see a sweep of the lows and then in generic retracement to the upside. See an order block plus fair value gap and enter as a price and traces back to fair value. Just trades, bro. That sounds like such a mouthful. Bullish on gold. Are we taking it? Terry, unfortunately not, bro. No. You definitely could. I said to the guys at analysis, you can have the pullback. I personally would prefer it taking the break on the highs. You could take it over there, but I'm not necessarily wanting to. I would rather prefer taking the sell on NAS. Watch US30, bud. Wow. It does, hey, lol. It works, brother. Nah, I'm glad, bro. Every guy's got what works for them, so all the best with that. Let's see. Keegan, what GP you running at the moment? I was thinking I'm getting J of the 3060, something not too hectic. Nah, 3060 will be decent, bro. I'll go with the 3080 Ti. Keys brother, how much? Keys brother, much love, but see you Monday morning, bro. Love you, my boy. Enjoy the weekend, brother. I'm out. Cheers, Slashy. I don't know if you're on the games of this tonight or not, but cheers. Otherwise, Slash is at the same time. I don't know if you in Project G, then I'd probably see you on Sunday. But otherwise, check your Monday, brother. Keys are waiting for NAS to close over Asia lows. Yeah, basically Asia lows. Yeah, man, solid shorts for me on FDSR in German. Good luck today, gents. Messiah, we basically for the sells here as well on NAS. Have a like one, bro. We'll pop you a message. Keys, you guys have Vault Funder accept clients from Ireland. You can trade from anywhere, brother. Anywhere. We've got, well, I'm not going to say anywhere. There's a handful of places we don't, but Ireland we do accept from. Pension funds always seem to sell off on the last day of the month. So let's see, trying to go into the weekend with a semi and a smile and not minor depression. Hey. Yeah, that's the thing, bro. That's the thing about Fridays. It's amazing to trade and possibly go into the weekend with some extra cash, but at the same time, you want to ruin your weekend and go to the weekend like with less cash. Review, bro. Can declare Friday everything for sure, yeah. DXY breaking lower, so that is going bearish like we want. But now the thing with me, guys, that doesn't back up the sells here. So US30, the guys that were in your buys, it would maybe help. But that's the thing, guys. I don't like this. I don't like seeing everything starting off. DXY is bearish, gold's bearish, Nasdaq bearish, US30 bearish. I don't like that.
Someone's getting clapped this afternoon.
Yes, every single thing's bearish, bro. I don't. Too choppy, yeah. I just passed another 200k away. I just passed another 200k account from Alpha Capital, so I'll be trying Vault Funder. Awesome, bro. Be sick to have in the team there. Massively decoupled day keys. Yeah, guys, honestly, just even looking the way things are moving, I'm not happy to take anything. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not happy to take anything in these conditions. I think, guys, honestly, that's one thing though. Psychologically, you guys are going to become very much more profitable traders when you realize trading is not about chasing the money. You don't need to trade every day. You don't do that. You trade opportunities. If the opportunity is not there, you're not taking it. Simple as that.
I would also like to add on that. So one thing I've realized was, if you're so focused on the money and not on the analysis, like the charts itself, what's the best way I can describe it? Let me put it this way: if you're not focused on the candles, what price is doing, the money won't follow. Like literally, if you mess up, like the main thing you must do is analyze properly. If you don't do that properly, and the money won't follow automatically.
Yeah. So, yeah, guys, I can tell you now, I'm not gonna take anything. I'm not happy with these conditions. You guys know how I trade. I'm fundamentally driven with a mix into my technicals, and there's not a reason for everything to be going bearish at the moment, so I'm not happy to trade that.
Jordan. Okay, Keegan, when someone asks me that, what do I say?
I was watching Wall Street Trader and his theories, each always a good loser, trade perception. Yeah, you need to, bro. Jordan, Jeff, what build are you going with for your PC? If you look at the one you sent me, bro, like I'd say it's an entry level gaming PC, but also more of a workstation.
Yeah, I don't know PCs, guys. Like literally, I'm asking Chris and Keegan here for advice. I'm a dad, you know. I don't.
Shaquille Benjamin blew 300k in a week. Hey, brother. Then either you're a millionaire if you're blowing that type of money in a week, or if you shouldn't be blowing that type of money in a week and you did, you need to go look at what went wrong. With that being said, we'll close my 85 and quarter week. Be grateful with that God offered you in your pocket. 100% Terry. 100% optimize the process instead of focusing on outcome. Exactly. Never again. No, JV, need to predict price on constant basis. To add on to what JV said before you guys leave, I started chasing the trades more than the money, and it changed my mind. Food for thought. Hope that doesn't go over your heads. Very, very true, Dorito. Fair reason is I'm looking to buy a game PC as well, but I'm not clued up, so I'm just asking around. Well, brother, honestly, Jordan, if you want, like, again, if you don't know too much, like, personally, someone asked me, and I said to them, like, I don't buy pre-built PCs, I build my PCs. But if you don't know, obviously, a lot about PCs, not going to do that. So, what you could do is, honestly, go to EveTech, bro. Like, they have their specials, and I always say, if you actually buying their pre-builds, they really aren't badly priced for what you are getting. And just go select gaming PC, and they will then, you can look at the options for gaming PCs and what fits your budget. Have a weekend, good guys. See you on Monday. Cheers, man. Hi guys, I'm holding my NAS bar. A NAS bar? Wait, hold on. Where did you buy, bro? If you're holding your NAS bar, okay, so this thing's just been selling off, bro. So where did you buy? What went wrong was exactly what you explained now, but forcing to trade every day. Yeah. You can even spec that by the game you want to play. Yeah, exactly. I see Rootware as a builder for your budget, but I don't know if I can trust. No, Rootware is good, bro. They are good. I've got some parts from them. Geez, being a bit of a gunner this week, going through my journal. Check this link out for custom PC builds. Just trade, they won't be able to see your link, bro. Only rangers can send links. Gold, Cosmic, honestly, it's selling, bro, but there's no reason to take that trade. There's no reason I could have got in on that trade. So guys, NAS, as I said, if NAS closes there, I'd love to sell it, but it breaks my rules. DXY would need to be a pumping, and DXY is literally at the low of the day, about to literally give you a sell continuation. So I can't take that, guys. As much as I say rules, it's just part of the game. Those rules might make me miss a move every now and again, but they've also protected me from very, very stupid losses sometimes.
We'll also say this again, guys. Even FOMO can be a form of discipline. Missing out even if you don't want to, because you are following your rules.
Yeah. Geeks are selling the S1 and NAS, which should target the S2. Yeah, bro, so that's what I'm saying. That's why I said to the guy earlier when he asked me about Asia lows. Yes, it's Asia lows, but it's taking the low of the day. You've got probability and momentum. You've traded up, taking the high of the day. Your manipulation. You're now distributing Asia lows, and then that's the talk of we have tested the S1. So this time around, we won't test it. We can break, hold, and then continuation to S2. So that was the trade idea behind it. Fob's learning, brother. The man's learning. Already spotting it. Stop loss hit. I'm sure for the rest of the day, time to start the fire. Not worth the risk. Exactly, Jared. So as I say, guys, this would be the move here now. Literally, that would have been the move for me. Because of the range, you can literally go 60 pip. You obviously are targeting the S2. That's a 1 to 3, so even your 1 to 1 would be about there. But obviously I'm not in this trade. I haven't taken this. That's what we would have looked at. But I can't take it because of what DXY is doing. So DXY could turn a little bit bullish now, but it's still at the low of the day technically. Everything else is selling off, and I don't like that literally every pair is selling off altogether. So if you guys want it, that's the trade. That's what I would have taken. But I'm not prepared on a Friday and the end of the month to go give my money back unnecessarily. So Ginger, what's your views on having a DGen account to control the FOMO, or do we need to conquer it? Jared, funny enough, so I wouldn't say it's in that sense a DGen account. Like, we have our fun with our DGen accounts when we trade news. So the guys who are in the project, they'll see like, we're gonna trade news. We'll never trade with our main accounts, but we put money in like little DGen account. They're complete. Like you prepared to blow it, and take the shots with it. And it's the same thing where that's what we call it, like our R&D trades. Like we've always spoken about, I believe if you want to research, you research real time, real markets. So I will trade and test with real money in real conditions and stuff like that. So even though I'm testing something, like, yes, it's a good time. I'm testing something. There's a theory behind it, but there's no proof. There's no track record. So I can be blowing up 20 trades in a row. And I'm prepared that all those times that's real money I'm losing. So honestly, bro, I wouldn't say DGen accounts is actually a bad thing. I think it's just about how you implement them and how you're using them. And if, again, are you at least actually taking something away from them? Love your goals. Who wants to join me on a quest to go to? Hey. But I think, guys, honestly, I think that's going to be it. I'm not going to take a trade. Naz, if you guys are in it, there it goes. But I would, as I said, I wouldn't have taken it. So it would have been breaking my rules. USD still there. DXY, let's just see. DXY literally going bearish. So what is that thing going to turn like gold's doing right now? Who knows? But I think that's gonna be it for me. Jeff, anything from your side, bro?
From my side, guys, don't ruin your weekend. There's literally nothing in the market. But yeah, as always, stay safe, guys. Much love for you. And use this time to obviously study this weekend. The good times will come.
Good times will come. But otherwise, Chad, stay safe, be safe. Remember, guys, vote VF 40% off. VF launch 35% off. You can use the link down below. Get yourself a nice prop firm. Those discount codes might be going away soon, so make a count. It is end of month. Let's go into the month ready with some new accounts. The Project G, guys, the membership is up. The link is there in the chat. I don't know on your screen if it would be this side of me or this side of me, but it's there. Click on that. That is the pre-launch of the launch. So the reason being, you'll just see the whole website and all those things. The PSPs will go live on probably next week, so we'll be sorting that out then. Then everything will be a lot smoother, professional, better. But as you said, there's events, things we wanted to get started. We also promised you guys the first, so we're sticking to our word, and it just means we are doing everything literally manually. So again, the guys that haven't, we'll be adding you now. Make the most of it. The first Project G weekly prep will be Sunday, And then we'll have our first little boot camp. I think Chris and myself are saying we're going to do the first one on Wednesday. And then the first event, NFP Live, on Friday.
Oh, I forgot to mention one thing, guys. Trading Alchemy, Monday, 1 p.m. Keep an eye on your emails. I think Vault Market should send you an email with the Zoom link. But I also post a Zoom link on my story. Monday, let's talk about NASDAQ and USDT.
All right, guys. Other than that, peace and love. Stay safe. Be safe. And again, thank you for the love and support as always, guys. See you on the flip side. Cheers, baby.